Good morning. We are on our travels again. We've left Queenstown and we're heading for Te Anau. We're going to stay there for a couple of nights, but we're driving down. Queenstown is back that way and we're heading that way. Thought we'd stop off and find a geocache. Lane's not admiring the rocks. And whilst you're doing that, I will show you the latest on my legs. Bites. Oh, hello you. Oh, you're not interested in me. Oh no, you're not. No, it's talking me thumb. It's talking me thumb. Ah! Being chased. Anyway, bites on my legs. Sandflies. That's what's been attacking me the last few days. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So vast, this lake, it's incredible. See the shadow of the clouds and the mountains? Right, I think we're on our way. Let's explore some more beautiful countryside. Stopped off again. Nice pull-in. Lots of camper vans parked up here, as you can see behind me. But if you're staying here the night, you've got this as a view. Look at that. That is amazing. That is absolutely stunning. What a place to stay, to park up. Te Anau. Relax and enjoy Te Anau. Elaine isn't impressed with this giant bird. Takahe? Extinct, not quite, but the only place in the world you will find a wild Takahe is here. Oh wow, okay. And that's not even a real one. Now we're in Te Anau, or Te Anau. Te Anau, Te Anau, Te Anau. This is Lake Te Anau. Crikey, no drone flying. That's a surprise. Weather or not.
200 rain days.
In this area each year. It's a bit like England then, isn't it?
Oh, it's raining. It was raining a minute ago by that hotel.
No, it wasn't. Yes. It's captured all that. Oh, it's raining. Oh no.
I looked at the hotel. I thought, oh, it's raining. I'm not getting wet. That was slightly amusing.
Sorry, Elaine, don't worry. It's a jolly statue. He looks happy to me, kind of. Looks proud. Quentin McKinnon. He was the first European, one of the first Europeans to travel overland from Lake Te Anau to Milford Sound. Their route became the world famous Milford Track. This chap here was the founder of the Milford Track. He looks proud. Tomorrow we're being picked up first thing in the morning and we're going to Milford Sound.
Yes, but from Queenstown it's about a 5-hour coach journey.
Yes.
Really fancy that, so that if we drive ourselves partly out, we can be picked up from here and put 2 hours off the journey, and we can stop and do what we want on the way here. Parking's quite tight apparently at Milford Sound, otherwise I'd have driven all the way, I think.
Yeah, so we thought we'd break it up a bit by staying in Te Anau, or Te Anau.
I feel a bit sick on coaches.
Yeah. So we're putting this town on the map, New Zealand. You must come to Te Anau now. Look, this place has 200 days worth of rain. 200 days of rain each year.
Yep.
This is one of those days where there's no rain.
There's no rain, and tomorrow and the next day is supposed to be quite nice and sunny.
Yay! Takahe has hung on to existence, but only just. Come on, Takahe! Tours start here at 10 AM. That's probably why they're kind of almost extinct, haven't been able to fly away from predators. Come on down. It's moving again. There we go. There we go.